So today, here in Gaden Shartse Dro-Phen, we start from the reciting Migtsema. So for that, I like to explain how to visualize while we are reciting Migtsema. So when we supplicating prayer for the Migtsema, it's good to recite with the Gaden Hakyama if it's possible. If you know how to recite the Gaden Hakyama, then it's very helpful and very effective, because as the Gaden Tiramishi mentioned last teaching, he said that it's good to go with the 7 prayer. Yeah, it's really it is, because Migtsema is also one of the Guru Yoga practice. Yeah, so it's always in our tradition we recite with the Gaden Hakyama. Gaden Hakyama is one of the Guru Yoga practice with the Lama Tsongkhapa. Anyway, whether you can recite the Gaden Hakyama ahead or you are not able to recite, but you have to visualize Lama Tsongkhapa in front of you. Okay, so then we have to supplicate. So when you visualize the Lama Tsongkhapa in front of you, then we have to visualize Lama Tsongkhapa and inseparable your guru, whoever your guru is. Yeah, so like His Holiness Dalai Lama or Kyabchilati Rinpoche or Kanten Chiba Rinpoche, whoever your root guru is, then you visualize your guru and the Lama Tsongkhapa is inseparable. Then we supplicate reciting Migtsema. Why we need to visualize your guru and the Lama Tsongkhapa or your guru with the Buddha is inseparable. Yeah. So if you visualize your whenever we do the practice, like Yamentaka practice, either or Lama Tsongkhapa Guru Yoga practice, or other the Griya Samaja practice, whenever we do the practice, we must visualize deity and our guru as inseparable. If you visualize our guru and the deity is inseparable, visualizing guru as a Buddha, the blessing will come quicker, or our mind will bless very quicker. Okay, if you visualize that like here in Lama Tsongkhapa as a Buddha, then blessing will be broader or more. Okay, so that's why the inseparable guru and the Buddha that will help us to bless quickly and bless more, or intensely, broadly. Like if you do the Guru Yoga with the Gaden Hakyama, then first we have to invite the Lama Tsongkhapa from the Tushita at the center of the Maitreya Buddha's heart with a cloud. Yeah. So when we visualize Lama Tsongkhapa, it's good to have in cloud. That cloud is how to say it, comes from the heaven, comes from the Tushita. It doesn't break. Yeah. So like here. Yeah, cloud is because it's have a kind of the good symbol that it connects with the Toshita. Then when we die, it has what do you call the good omen, auspicious omen that we will born to the Toshita place, the Maitreya place. Yeah, so that's why it's good to visualize Lama Tsongkhapa come descend from the with a cloud from the heart of Maitreya Buddha and from the Toshita. And after inviting the Lama Tsongkhapa, then we do the 7 prayer. So I don't want to go the 7 prayer in detail because it takes a lot of time. And then Lama Tsongkhapa with the throne, if you visualize in front of you, it's good to have a kind of your forehead kind of level, and then it's not very far from your forehead. If you prostrate with the whole body prostrate, you can reach your hand to the Lama Tsongkhapa throne, that much far, and then it's not good very near, very close to you. It's kind of little far that you can easy to visualize. Yeah, and then maybe it's good to translate. Yeah. So there are so many reasons to the in detail to how far we need to visualize, how big size, and why we need to do that. So today we don't have that much time. Meditation's detail. Yeah. So I only go with the visualization. So when we do the meditation, there are so many details we have to go through, because otherwise you won't able to cultivate the Kamambaitin or Shine Shamanta meditation. So I don't want to go today this one. Okay. So today our main goal is how to visualize while we are reciting the Migtsema. So while we are doing the Migtsema reciting, there were so many different visualization. Some are the very secret visualization I cannot teach today, maybe another time. Yeah, and really it's today we'll go with the common one. Yeah, so maybe one another time really we can go that way. Okay, that visualization. So first one is Migtsema with the Chincheris. Yeah, and yeah, from all the Buddhas, the compassion or loving kindness manifest with the awesome Buddha is generosity or Avalokiteshvara Buddha. Yeah, and all the Buddhas, the wisdom manifests as the Buddha is the Manjushri Buddha, and all the Buddhas power manifests to the Buddha, which is the Vajrapani. Yeah, so if you compare with the wisdom, compassion, and power, there were no other than these three Buddha. There were no other Buddha cannot compare with the Manjushri. When we comes with the wisdom, there were no one can compare with the Manjushri. Yeah, when it comes to the compassion or loving kindness, no one can compare with the Buddha Avalokiteshvara. When it's come to the power, no one can compare with the Buddha Vajrapani. Same as in Tibet, when it comes to the knowledge or wisdom, we Gelugpa traditional, we believe that no one can compare with the Lama Tsongkhapa. So Lama Tsongkhapa is the best of the best. He has all detailed knowledge. Actually, he is as a Buddha. Yeah. So he is a well-known educated in Tibetan in Tibet. So we Gelugpa believe that, and then also other traditions they also believe that Lama Tsongkhapa is a very well-known educated. Yeah. So we are supplicating that please make me same as you as educated in the Buddha Dharma, which is mainly is you are very deep knowledge or deep understanding of all the paths to enlighten. Please make me same as you as understanding all the Buddha Dharma. So we are supplicating that the Lama Tsongkhapa please make me understand Buddha Dharma very very deep and very how to say it, very detailed as you. So we are supplicating that please make me that. To me, this very important supplication and very helpful supplication. Yeah, like us, why we still born in this world, why we born in samsara, we don't have a deep understanding of the Buddha Dharma. Then because of that we don't meditate. Then we are come again this world, and then we are suffering. Yeah. So if we have a deep understanding like Manjushri and Chenresi and Vajrapani, then we don't want to waste our time. So we want to practice Dharma, and we quickly to reach the Buddhahood. So that's important supplication that I always think that's very important. So deep of your heart, please supplicate the Buddha, the Lama Tsongkhapa, that make me as you as a deep understanding of the Dharma. Because of your supplication, nectar come from the crown of the Lama Tsongkhapas, where the Manjushri is. White nectar, then light comes from the Lama Tsongkhapa, and then it comes in our head and then dissolve in our body. With you and include all the mother sentient beings, white nectar, and the white light come and dissolve in our body and purify our negativities. And maybe it's good to go purify all the negativity comes out with that black liquid, and purify all the sickness and cause of sickness is the bad karma. They purify and come out as like and snakes and frog and those the animals, and then and all this harm by nagas or any others come out of our body as the blood and pulse come out of all your body, and your body become as a very crystal body without any sickness, without any negativities, and goes down to your body, and the beneath the earth, and whom chasing your life, whom chasing to your health and your positive things, who is a Yama, and goes into Yama's mouth, and Yama satisfies, and then they run away from goes away from you, and no more chasing for you, and that helps you to longevity your practice, that help you to purify your negativity, and that also help you to purify your sickness too. So that's good to visualize that supplicating through that way, you purifying your negativity, cultivating the merit, and cultivating your lifespan too. So it's very good to visualize that way. Okay, then when we visualize the Manjushri at the Lama Tsongkhapa, there were 3 different Manjushris to visualize. The external Manjushri and internal Manjushri and secret Manjushri. So if you're able to go through that detail, then it's good. If not, just the Manjushri is good enough. Okay. So yeah, today we don't have much time. So I cannot go detail. Yeah. So if you have a time, then we can go in detail and Kandel Hajama everything. Yeah. Sorry for that. Yeah. Maybe another time. Okay, then, now first is wisdom, yeah. Second one is quality. So all the Buddhas, the compassion and loving kindness manifest the Buddha is the Buddha generosity or avalokiteshvara. Or the Buddhas manifest, the Buddha's wisdom manifests to the Buddha. One Buddha is the Manjushri, and all the Buddhas, the power manifests to the one become a Buddha is Buddha Vajrapani. Same like the Lama Tsongkhapa is all the Buddhas wisdom, the loving kindness and compassion manifest to the Lama or Buddha is Lama Tsongkhapa. All the Buddha's wisdom manifests to the Lama is the Lama Tsongkhapa. All the Buddha's power manifests to the one Lama is Lama Tsongkhapa. So Lama Tsongkhapa is empowerment of all the Buddha's compassion, wisdom, and power. So as you embodiment of all the Buddha's quality, please make me as you. We are supplicating that. Second time, reciting it's Buddha's manifest to the compassion, wisdom, and the power, which is when embodiment of one guru is Lama Tsongkhapa, I'm going to supplicate, I'm going to pray for you, please make me same as you. Because of our supplication from the bottom of our heart, Lama Tsongkhapa's his throat, his throat. We visualize the Avalokiteshvara. So at the first one, we visualize the Manjushri, our Lama Tsongkhapa head, and then white nectar comes from the Manjushri. Yeah. Then second one is Lama Tsongkhapa at throat. We visualize the Avalokiteshvara. From the Avalokiteshvara and Lama Tsongkhapa throat, red nectar and red light come from that throat and then dissolve with you and all the mother sentient beings. If you have any special, your mom and your daddy and who has someone you very care, you can visualize in front of you, and then the nectar and the light goes to them and include them and all the mother sentient beings, purifying the negativities, all the negativities, special negativity that made by our speech, and then with that sickness of all this speech and throat, and then same as before, yeah, and your sickness and your harm by the human and non-human beings, and everything comes out for your body. The negativities are come as a black liquid, and sickness are come as the pus and blood, and then all harms by naga and others comes out as the what you call snakes and frog, and goes down to the beneath of your body and goes go to the yama's mouth, and the yama satisfies with that, and you are free from the sickness and all these same as before. Yeah. Here also there are the three different the Avalokiteshvara. External Avalokiteshvara is the external Avalokiteshvara, and internal Avalokiteshvara, and secret Avalokiteshvara. They have different Avalokiteshvara to visualize, and the nectar and the what you call light come from the Avalokiteshvara. But today we don't go to this detail. Third one is with the Vajrapani, yeah, and then same before, all the Buddha's compassion and loving kindness manifest the generosity, and the wisdom manifest the Manjushri, and the power manifestation of the Buddha is our look the Vajrapani, and the all those Buddhas three quality embodiment is the Lama Tsongkhapa, and then we make a supplication to our Lama Tsongkhapa that please bless me and make me as you, as become all the Buddha's quality as you have. Then by supplicating for our heart, the Lama Tsongkhapa's heart, at his heart, the Buddha Vajrapani, and the Lama Tsongkhapa heart come from the nectar and blue nectar, and the blue light come from the Lama Tsongkhapa and the Vajrapani, and goes into our heart and include you and all the mother sentient beings heart, and then fill with the nectar and the light, and purify all the negativities, especially negativity that made by our own mind. And then same as before, yeah, then sickness and harm by the human and non-human beings comes out of our body and goes to the beneath the body and goes to earth, and then goes to the yama's mouth, and then purify your negativity. So same as before. Okay, fourth one is same supplication as before, and then the nectar come from all of the Buddhas, that the crown Buddha as a Manjushri, and the throat Buddha from the Avalokiteshvara, and heart Buddha from the Buddha Vajrapani, and three Buddhas, and the Buddha's the Guru Lama Tsongkhapa's crown and throat and heart, nectar, multi-nectar or white, red and blue comes from the Lama Tsongkhapa and three Buddha and entering our all body, speech and mind and purify all negativity that met by our three door together, purify, and then sickness and everything as same before. And if you already receive the empowerment, great empowerment like Gurya Samaja or Manju, the Yamantaka or Chakra Sambhava, then you can do with these four visualization with the four empowerment. Vast empowerment, secret empowerment, wisdom empowerment, and the word empowerment. At the first one, you can go with the vast empowerment, purify the negativity that your body's negativity purify, and you visualize as receive the vast empowerment, and you are able to you are allowed to meditate on the general stage, and then you have an input or imprint to the emanation Buddhas. In future, you have become emanation Buddhas in your mind. So like four different empowerment, you can go with the four visualizations. Then the second one, when you receive the red nectar and red light from the Buddha Avalokiteshvara, then purify the negative or this special from your speech, and then you are able to receive the secret empowerment, and you are allowed to meditate on the illusory body, and you have an imprint of the Sambhokaya body in your mind. And third time when you do the blue nectar from the Buddha Vajrapani, then you purify the negativity that met by your mind, and then able to receive the wisdom empowerment, and you are allowed to meditate on the vessel light, clear light, and you receive the imprint of the Dharmakaya body. And the fourth time, that three multiple nectar and light comes from the Buddha and the Guru, the Lama Tsongkhapa. It purified all the negativity made by our three doors, and then able to receive the secret empowerment, and you are allowed to meditate on the union body, and you have an imprint of the union Vajradhara body, so you can visualize on that through that way every day, every single day, you are able to receive the empowerment. And if you are able to take the empowerment of every single day, what's benefit is, since we receive the empowerment, either the Gurya Samaja or Yamantaka and Chakra Sambhava, so we are working a lot of commitment, so then we are making a lot of negativities through our breaking our commitment. If you do that, that purify our broken commitment, then you day by day you are able to close to the the Buddhahood. Then one day you are able to purify all your negativity, and within some kind of meditation you are able to realize the high realization. Sometimes we think that these kind of realization are very hard to reach, and then like us, we have live in busy life, and we are no way to realize this kind of the path. But if you're able to cultivate the merit, if you're able to purify your negativity, then small cause and condition can reach the high realization. So for that, you have to put the effort to everyday practice, not 1 day or 2 days. Then tomorrow, today I'm busy. Today I'm kind of little bit sick. Then we skip the practice day by day, day by day. difficult. Yeah. So we have to put that practice. At least we have to have a kind of the discipline every single day, 15 minutes or 5 minutes. Put every day, then we will reach some point. Yeah. So that's my request to everyone. Then if you have any question, please raise the questions. So if you're not able to visualize, like I mentioned earlier in details, so just visualize your Guru and Lama Tsongkhapa is inseparable. And bottom of your heart, please supplicate that, please bless my body and especially mind. So just bottom of your heart, request him to bless your mind, because without having blessing, so our mind like a wild, yeah. So we cannot train our mind. Then it, even though we try to meditate something, then it goes everywhere, yeah. So we cannot put our mind on one object, even a single few minutes, yeah. So our mind is kind of wild now. So we need a blessing for the gurus and Buddhas. So supplicating to our Guru is the one of the most important prayer for now, for our for the beginners. Yeah, beginners. Lama Tsongkhapa says in his Lamrim teaching that for the beginner, relying on the Guru is the most important. Yeah, through that way we are able to cultivate merit, purify negativity. Otherwise, our intention, our motivation, always something mixed with this life or kind of activity with samsara things. Our motivations, our intention are not very pure. So then, because of that, we cannot cultivate pure merit that can cause to the either the nirvana or Buddhahood. So for us, relying on the Buddha and Guru as the best way to practice. So that's why just imagine that your Guru and the Lama Tsongkhapa is inseparable, and the request in bottom of your heart that please bless us. So then recite, because when we traveling around the train or bus or car, we cannot visualize much. If you visualize, then you may get accident. Then you may get the ticket from. So just visualize that your Guru and your Lama Tsongkhapa is inseparable. Please bless me, please bless me, and that through that we recite the mantra. Whatever you reciting mantra, whatever you reciting any sutra, then that helpful. Okay, this is one set of the visualization while we recite the Migtsema. So today I'm going to stop here and take questions if you have a question.
Geshe-la, so Bihong had a question. She asked whether it is necessary to visualize the Om Ah Hum when the light comes out from Manjushri, Chenrezig, and Vajraphan.
There are another set. It needs the Om Ah Hum. This set we visualize the Lama Tsongkhapa crown, we visualize the Manjushri, and at the throat, the Avalokiteshvara, and a heart is his heart, the Vajrapani. We don't visualize Om Ah Hum. There are another set visualization, maybe another time, yeah. Then Om Ah Hum, and then Om come from the Lama Tsongkhapa and state our crown and nectar, and so the different set of the visualization.
Okay, thank you.
This set we don't need to visualize Om Ah.
Geshe-la, I'd like to ask, before we start reciting the Migtsema, do we have to do the taking refuge, recite with taking refuge?
Yes.
And then after that we do dedication.
Yes. Refuge and the bodhicitta we always have ahead. Without doing refuge, our practice cannot engage with the Buddha Dharma. Without the generation bodhicitta, our practice cannot engage with the Mahayana practice. See, in order to engage the Buddha Dharma, in order to engage the Mahayana practice, we must practice refuge practice first, then bodhicitta, generation bodhicitta. These two always we have to have. It's compulsory.
All right, so thank you. Thank you, Geshe-la,
Thank you,
Geshe.
thank you.